statement. Our state inspector primary school presents a poem on the theme Climate Resilient School by the title
The Price of Our School.
My soul is so brief, my heart is so hard. The shade of shame, continuous and complex, obstruction every day, distraction all the same. In the name of climate change, for the paid and countless, distorting our ecosystem, disturbing water cycle, and destroying